Hey there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install free AI coding assistant in Terminal for free. And you won't have to pay for this. This will be without subscription. So let's start the video, and I'm going to show you all the process step by step. So at first, you have to install Node.js in Node.js. So go for the Node.js. Here it is in nodejs.org. So go there, click here get Node.js, and from here find download option. You select any long-term support version. You can see current version is 25. So go with the long-term support version and must be latest. Okay. And after that, you have to select the file that is .msi file. Okay. So download it and you start to actually click here that it will actually start downloading agency. And after that, you have to install it in a PC. Just download this and then install it like some other application in your PC. And after that, if you go for the command prompt cmd and if you open it, then you type here node-v, then you'll get the Node.js version. It means you have successfully installed Node.js. You can see I got the version, so I have installed Node.js. Now I will show you how to install AI coding assistant intermediate. So first of all, you have to actually go to the cmd. So go for the command prompt here, you can see, then run it as administrator. And after that, you have to say here npm I for the installation -g to install it globally, and then you have to say open code -ai, okay, and then act latest. Hit enter, and then the AI coding assistant for the terminal will be installed in your PC. For this npm, we need to actually install Node.js, and we already installed it, so we can actually download this open code AI in our terminal through this command, and it must be globally, right? -g for globally. Let's say I want to create or use this open code terminal from anywhere in our PC. So I need to install it globally, right? That is the reason I have to see here -g. Alright, it will take some time and then it will be installed in your PC. Alright guys, here you can see it has successfully installed it, right? Like this. Now we have to check that if we actually install it or not. Now let's say I want to check it from somewhere else in our PC because I have already installed it globally, right? So I'm going to go with this PC, let's say, and then I want to actually access from here. So I'm going to do is I'm going to open command from here, CE. Come here, I'm going to say that open code --version. This is the command. I have to hit enter and I have to check that. If I get the version, it means I've set to install it globally. Here we go. You got the version, you can see. Now I'll show you how you can actually use this. So to use this, you have to go where actually you want to use it. So I want to create a folder there. I'm going to say that the folder will be test-open code -k. So this is the folder where I'm going to use this terminal-based AI application. Here I'm going to open command prompt and here I'm going to say open code. I'll hit enter and then open code will be open here. Give me short time. Here we go. Now if I ask for anything, it will actually be it for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say here that assistant terminal. Then with a short time it will actually create the index.html file. You can see created successfully. Now if you want to create big size project also, it will actually create for you. Let's say you want to create a Laravel project, still you can do this through this open code CLI. Because you can see about here index.html file. If you want to change anything in this index.html file, let me just open the file at first. Here you can see there is nothing. Now let's output to show here something. So I'm going to see here that reach arrow from index here. I can see it's fully added, right? But if I refresh it, I can see got a hello from index here. Now you can change anything and you could create a big size project also, as I mentioned. You can actually create Laravel project also. And this is how actually you can use it. Alright? And if you find any issue in your project, then you can actually mention the issue here and then it will solve all the issues. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.